3 Pratt & Whitney J34-48. These are the same engines you use on the T2 Buckeye that the Navy used. The T2A, the earlier version. Okay, 36,000 horsepower. This truck weighs 7,000 pounds. It's the world's fastest semi-truck, 376 miles an hour, as recorded by the Guinness Book of World Records. Well, to get that beast stopped, I got a main parachute 16-foot diameter as well as a reserve chute 16-foot diameter. Yeah, you got to have that backup chute because when you're doing 375 miles an hour, you got to get that thing stopped fast. Chris Darnell, the driver. Chris is going to use, on the run here today, 180 gallons of jet fuel. So he's going to go about a mile, 180 gallons per mile. So that's not very good fuel economy, if you ask me. That's nearly 4 times the power to weight ratio of an F-16 that would be flown by the Thunderbirds, and the 0 to 60 mile an hour time is 1.5 seconds. Chris Darnell shares the driving experience of the Flashfire jet trucks. We're racing for pink slips on this one.